Hi, I'm here in my hometown in the Philippines. The name of my hometown is Tacloban City. Now I'm here in the little farm. You can see my fruit. You see, the name of my fruit is Goyabano. A lot of Goyabano, one by one. You can see one by one, and then you see my face. You see my face before. You see, see. Oh, you can see a lot. Oh, so many like Christmas tree. Oh, upstairs, and then here. You can see the upstairs, there, one by one. Oh, see, here, my face, you can see. Yeah, very good. Oh, dito kayo sa likod. Yeah. See, oh, one by one, my fruit tree. And this one, come here. This is my my nephew, my niece. Oh, see, here, the camera, you can see the camera. Yeah. See, Ronel, here, come here. Yeah, you can see the camera because this one I put the Facebook. Oh, this one. Oh, see, here. Yeah, that one. Oh, see. Oh, you see, this one. Oh,
Bisaya,
you see.
Bisaya.
Oh, Bisaya. Yeah, see. Oh, what is this? Goyabano. Wow. So many. Goyabano. Yeah, you can see so many. Okay. This is a Goyabano, not this one. This one is a lot of Goyabano. You can see. Oh, see. Here. See. My little farm in Tacloban City. I'm here now in the Philippines, and then I just want to introduce you. You see. Can see. Oh, see. Oh, see my Goyabano. It smells so good, so nice. Like Mr. Chan. Oh, see? Oh, Goyabano. And then this one, upstairs. This one, the upstairs. Upstairs. Oh, my nephew, my niece, and then this one, another. Here. Oh, see. See, yeah, this one, see. Oh, see. Oh, more.
Okay.
More. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, gotta go. Bye-bye.